Ever invested your hard-earned cash with Wealthsimple, only to realize it wasn't quite the golden goose you'd hoped for? And now, you're itching to get your money back. But hold on, how long is this refund journey really going to take? Let's dive in and uncover the truth about Wealthsimple refunds. Now, I know what you're thinking. Just tell me how long it takes. But trust me, there's more to this story than a simple number. Understanding the factors that influence refund times can save you a world of frustration. First off, let's clarify something. We're talking about refunds for Wealthsimple Invest, not Wealthsimple Cash. They're two different beasts, and the refund process varies wildly between the two. For Wealthsimple Invest, it's all about selling your assets. And here's where things can get a bit tricky. The speed of your refund depends on the type of investments you've made. Stocks and ETFs are usually pretty quick, but if you've got your money tied up in something more exotic, like private companies or real estate, you might be in for a longer wait. Wealthsimple typically estimates a 4 to 6 business day processing time for withdrawals, but that's just the start. Once your assets are sold, there's a settlement period. Think of it as a cool-down period where the market takes a breather. This usually takes another day. So, in a perfect world, you're looking at 5 to 7 business days for your money to hit your bank account. But let's be real, life isn't always perfect. Market volatility, trading halts, or even technical glitches can all throw a wrench in the works. Now, what about those Wealthsimple cash refunds? That's a whole different ballgame. Generally, it's a much faster process. Think a few business days, tops. But again, there are exceptions. If you're dealing with a chargeback or a dispute with a merchant, it can take longer. To speed things up, make sure your account information is up to date. Incorrect bank details or typos can cause delays. And while you're at it, double-check the refund amount. Mistakes happen, and it's better to catch them early. But what if you've been waiting longer than expected? Don't panic just yet. Wealthsimple has a support team. They're your first line of defense. Give them a call or shoot them an email. Be polite, be clear, and have all your details ready. Remember, patience is a virtue, especially when it comes to finances. It might feel like an eternity, but eventually, that refund will hit your account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.